My name is Srinivas. I'm working Chennai's Amrita International Institute of Hotel Management as a chef, a senior faculty food production, as a part of PDHMCS, a professional diploma in hotel management and catering science. So today, as a part of their practicals, I'm going to show one of the preparation called as a Parsi egg. How the Parsi egg is going to be prepared. Today I'm going to explain about that one. So now first, to prepare the Parsi egg, we need to take first onion, chop onion, chop tomatoes, grated potatoes, cumin powder, chili powder, coriander leaves, chopped green chili and pepper powder. These are the main ingredients to prepare the Parsi egg. So now how the Parsi egg is going to prepare, I'll show you step by step. So we need to take these ingredients to. Okay. So first switch on the stove, then add some oil. 3 tablespoons of oil. Wooden spoon లేదా మన దగ్గర? దాన్ని చూపిస్తూ దీన్ని చూపిస్తుంది అంతే. ఓకే. So add oil. నాకు కూడా చూపించు. Add oil. After adding the oil, take the chop onion. Take chop onion. Fry it thoroughly until sweat out the onion. Sizzling of the onion, and this is called sizzling. And after few minutes the onion is going to sweat out. That means the moisture which is contains in the onion, that will be shrink. So that's what called as a frying. This is a part of practical dish for the PD HMCS students in a 3 years degree diploma students. Okay, so now we need to wait a few minutes. After that, take the tomatoes, add the tomatoes into onion. Okay. So Parsi dish, the Parsi people will eat lot of tomatoes. So the tomatoes and potatoes are main ingredients this dish. See, onion have some water and tomato have some water, so both will be shrink now. Wooden spoon leda మన దగ్గర wooden spoon ఉండాలి. 2 teaspoons. Okay, now little bit of chili powder. Okay, and little green chili. Okay, little cumin powder. Okay, so now after adding that, slowly stir it sometime. Stir it sometime, then automatically the aroma will come out. We need to add little salt. Little salt, little bit. Okay, then again you stir it thoroughly. See, when you're stirring it, the gravy is going to form. That means the onion and tomato, whatever the moisture is there in the onion and tomatoes, it's going to be shrink. So that's called as a frying. So now we need to add shredded potatoes. These shredded potatoes I soaked in the water. So when you're soaking in the water, the starch which contains in the potato is going to be come out. The potato is going to be cooked very fast. So that is the reason I am adding shredded potato to your gravy. So you try it, very slow cooking. Don't cook in a high flame now. Keep it for 10 minutes with a simmer. Okay, so now taking the eggs, wash your eggs thoroughly. And keep it for a ready to put the eggs into Parsi egg. Now we will do some plating for the presentation. So carrot flower, some leaves on top of that. So when you presenting in a continental dish, is mostly egg preparation is going to be different of cooking. So egg cookery is going to be utilized in a different preparations like binding, like coating, the binding agent, coating agent, and raising agent, and the main preparation salads, dressings, and you can utilize a multi-purpose of preparation of the eggs. Egg have a large or a huge the potential of cooking of food. So that is the reason the egg cookery is a very important for learning for the PDHMCS students or any hotel management students. That is the reason why we are preparing the Parsi egg today. Parsi egg is one of the breakfast preparation where Parsi people will going to have in the breakfast early morning. Early morning sense like the 8 to 10 or 7 to 10, these timings they are going to have the Parsi egg as a breakfast dish. So it is going to be little heavier breakfast for them. You can add tomatoes, onion, potatoes and eggs all together, so that egg preparation called as a little heavy preparations. So similar preparation will be there when you're seeing the Spanish omelette. The similar Spanish omelette, here we are going to prepare this egg. So that is the reason when you're having this egg preparation little heavier, so you're going to be have a fulfilling of your breakfast. That is the reason why we are adding potatoes, onion, tomatoes and egg all together and presenting the food. And always remember, all breakfast items will be served along with the bread rolls or breakfast rolls. So today I'm going to give as a accompaniment of brown bread for your Parsi egg. See, the sizzling is getting, and most of egg, potatoes, onion, tomatoes are most probably ready. We need to check the always how the texture and the color or stage of the dish while you're cooking. While you're cooking, the temperature is a very important. We'll wait another few minutes to get the more moisture from the potatoes, and we'll wait until the potato will get crispy. So now we keep it in this simmer, the low flame, and keep it ready for another 5 to 10 minutes. Right. So the moisture, everything is absorbed. Now the potato is getting dry. Potato also getting dry. So the moisture getting also dry. So that is the reason we will finalize that is the potato is cooked. Now we need to add the eggs in a potato. So while you are adding the eggs, you need to be very careful, very gently you need to add your eggs. So put the without yolk breaking. Right. So see how gently you need to take out the egg yolk separate, egg white separate. So all the egg white and egg yolk will cook very slowly. So for that one we need to keep it in the simmer at least 10 minutes for until the egg yolk is cooked. Right? So now we need to cover the dish and leave it in the simmer. Then come after 10 minutes the dish will be ready. Okay. So now see, now we'll see the stage of egg, how it is. See here, almost yolk is covered with the white, and egg white is spread into the potatoes, onion and tomatoes. So see the egg yolk, how it is covered with the egg white. So this is what we need to prepare the dish with the perfection. So now it is almost ready, and we will see that another 2 or 1 minute. So the mostly Indians will prefer well done. So this egg is now medium well. So another 1 minute it will get well done. We will wait another 1 minute. So for the 1 minute, we'll say, as per your syllabus, a PDHM CS students, you have a breakfast egg preparations and cheese preparations, process of cheese, how to make the cheese, and what are the international dishes, what is the classification of soups, the classification of the meats. All these things are going to learn in a second year, first semester. So be prepare for that one and be ready for that one. One by one, when the college is open, we do the regular practicals and full-fledged practicals. This is for you. I'm doing today for a demo for your understanding and getting the knowledge about our cooking, our methods, our preparations of second year, first semesters. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so almost done. Now we need to switch off the stove and we'll do the presentation for the plate presentation now. So now do the portioning. Cut very gently without breaking yolk and without disturbing of your potatoes. Then very gently. The cooking is a very important for making each and every presentation and appearance of the dish. Okay. See how it's come out. Now you just do it very gently presentation. Okay. Now this will goes with the bread, garnish of carrot, some leaves and potatoes, egg, fried egg, spoon and fork and apple juice. So this is your breakfast. This is your breakfast preparation for the Parsi people. The Parsi people, not only the Parsi people, the Western breakfast, when you're talking continental and English, this is kind of a English elaborated breakfast. In the elaborated breakfast, poached egg, boiled egg, scrambled egg and fried egg and some of your the what do you call that is a baked egg. All this kind of preparations will be used in the breakfast. Always egg preparation breakfast accompaniment is potatoes, ash brown potatoes, grilled tomatoes, sausages, ham, bacon and some of your grilled tomatoes also goes with as accompaniment. This is hot breakfast of continental, French, the English. So this is kind of a in English breakfast. Today we prepare one kind of a the Parsi egg preparation for the breakfast. Thank you. If you have any doubts, call me or send the message. I will clarify each and every doubt about the breakfast preparations. Thank you guys.